You know, it's been a while, but don't mention it. Don't mind my hair, you know. I'm gonna do a car tour. Finally, y'all been waiting for, so. Look at my beautiful car, guys. Just look. Okay, it's not beautiful right now because I got this shit over it. But look. Oh. Mm-hmm. Look at the bling. Okay, guys, so like everything's from Amazon. The steering wheel cover is from Amazon, you know. I gotta get the blue glitter aesthetic. And then I got this little scrunchie because it's blue and I just love blue, guys. Just so you know, I love blue. Like, you can tell I love blue. Like, come on now. Blue, everything. My car is blue. Just everything. But, and my cup holder things, they're blue too. With a little glitter, you know. And then my keychain. That's blue. Blue, 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 blue everywhere. Blue, blue, blue. Let me stop this bitch up. Not like I'm going anywhere. But I'm not going nowhere. Nowhere at all. This is my little bling. I got this from Amazon too. Guys, don't mind my nails. Don't mind my nails. But yeah, it's from Amazon. This little dream catcher tree of life thing, that's from Amazon. My cute little tissue holder, that's from Amazon as well. Everything is from fucking everything's from Amazon. Don't mind my car. It looks a hot mess. My Popeyes uniform in the back though. And then my trash can, don't mind my trash can. It's kind of messed up. But car. 2022 Toyota Corolla, y'all. Ew, yes, so cute. Finally, this thing gets in focus. Finally, get in focus. Focus, come on. Yeah. That's what it is. Even though the letters is in blue, my favorite color, bitch. But yeah, this is so cute. I am in love with this car, guys. I am in love with this car. A cute little, you know, you can put up and down. Oh, yes. And then the PRNDB, Green B. And yeah, yes, it automatically, like, when I put it in park, it automatically does the parking brake, so I don't have to. And then, you know, all these cute little features. Yeah. Don't mind my song choice, guys. I'm old. I'm old. I don't look it, but I'm old. And then I have, okay, maybe not that. And then I have, like, you can put apps on here. Connect your phone, you know, music, all that good stuff. Yes. And I have my little panic button, my SOS button, you know, my lights. And then in my little what head, I don't know what you call it, this little middle thing, I got my sunglasses, you know, for when I wear my contacts. Oh, look how cute. And then I got some more air fresheners. Keep my car nice and fresh, you know. Some more. My cable for my CarPlay. That's also blue, kind of. My perfume, you know, to stay all smelling good and nice, you know what I mean? This is from Bath and Body Works. Champagne Toast, to be exact. And then some more sunglasses. This is as bougie as the other ones. And then my little car charger, my bling car charger. It's also from Amazon, by the way. And then my little hand sanitizer. That's also Champagne Toast. Okay. And then a little hair tie scrunchie, Popeyes. Yes. Amazon as well. It's so cute. I love it, even though it doesn't stay on right. Ugh. But yeah, this is my car, guys. And as you saw in the beginning of the video, I also got my windows tinted. Finally. Yes, finally. And the little bling things that you saw on the outside, that's also from Amazon. Y'all don't come for me. Don't try for me. Don't come for me. I love my bling, okay? Bling is life. Bling is life. Bling is life. Don't y'all be copying me either. I don't want to see y'all with the same thing I got. Sorry, not sorry. Anyway, that's it. That's the end of my car tour, guys. I'm sorry I'm looking all ratchet. Well, looking a hot mess, but I don't care. My car 2022. I'm so happy. I am so happy, you guys. You have no idea how happy I am. Alright, we'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.